Hi Drastic Cuties, Wendy here. It's DIY time and today we're going to be making the highly requested Drastic Cute mini calendar again. I think I started in 2017 and every year I get more and more requests to keep going on, and I must be honest and say that I do keep making them because I use it myself. It's just the perfect size little calendar that I put on my desk and it comes in really handy. So here it is. Ta-da! So because I've been doing this for so long and it's basically the same thing, all I do is just change up the dates and the artwork. I just pick from this 2020 year of all this stuff that I've drawn. But the base right here is basically the same. I'm just going to be showing you right now on how to make this, but using the video from last year, just to save some time. So before we get started, I just wanted to mention really quickly for you to go to my website at drasticute.com where you can download all of this for free. So all you really need is just your basic copy paper to print out the calendar itself, and then maybe just like a harder stock paper to print out the stand. So there's going to be two pieces that you need to print out. And other than that, you just need scissors, and I just use your basic like Crayola markers and color pencil to color this, and then cut it out and then fold it. So the stand right here, once again, if you can, please print it out on a harder stock paper just so it works better. And our goal right now is to basically just go ahead and cut out all the solid lines, and then at the dotted line is where I'm going to be folding. From there, now that you've cut out all the solid lines, we're going to go ahead and fold this in. So I'm going to take this flap right here and fold it right at that dotted line. And it should fold right perfectly because you've cut these two little grooves in. Right at the dotted line. So I'm just going to go ahead and fold that down. So right there, and do the same thing on this side. So whatever, if you have colored stock paper at home, you can make your stand different colors, but I just wanted to show you on the white stock paper just so it's easier for you to see. And once you've done that, you want to go ahead and either tape or glue this panel right here together. So let's see here. I'm going to glue mine. Put a piece of paper underneath so it doesn't mess up my table. And I'm going to put some glue right here on the shaded part. And once again, you can either staple it or tape it together. It's all up to you. So from there, very simply, just go ahead and line up these two edges and press down and just hold it for a few seconds until it dries. And just like that, you have a little stand, nice and easy. So now that all of your pieces have been colored and cut out and folded, I wanted to show you really quickly if you needed help on how to arrange it easier onto the calendar. So for me, I like to start with January. So the piece where the January piece is January, February, and then what's after February is March, right? So January, February, March, and I turn that around and put it right under March, April. Then it's going to be May right here. So May is facing me. May, June, then July facing me, August, September, October, November, December, and then the last one, which is just special dates and notes. If you like, you can put it right underneath. And since everything is folded, you just put it all together, fold it a little bit more again, and then you just pop it right on top of this stand right here. So they're all done. I know this year the format is a little bit different on me showing you how to make this mini calendar. But like I said, because I've been doing this so many years, I know many of you are just looking forward to the new info. You already know how to make this. But to all the new cuties out there, welcome to my channel, and I really hope I still made it easy for you to follow along. Just remember to go to my website at drawsocute.com and just download this for free. So I hope you look forward to making this, and I made it fun and easy for you to follow along, that you'll make this for yourself or for someone you love. And if you're making it for yourself, that you'll put it on your desk and remember me all year long. Oh, and before I go, comment below and let me know which is your favorite month, which artwork maybe, or maybe which month is your birthday. I would love to know. So thanks so much for watching, cuties, and I will see you soon with another DIY. And so please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.